Hey guys, wanted to share this video. This is from Japan several years ago. This guy has got a Kanban card and he is pulling parts. And what you'll notice here is he is doing a very exact comparison. Holds the Kanban card up to the tag on the bin area and he compares it individually. And then he's pointing and verifying the numbers for each number on the part on the Kanban card to make sure that they are all of the same, point and call. He then removes the part from the bin. You'll see this. He pulls the part out from the bin and he holds it up to the picture and says, hey, is this the right part? This is how they do stuff accurately every time in Japan. This company, Mifune, they send 32 million parts, no, 8 million parts a month to the factory. And when we were there, they'd sent $32 million parts to the factory without making a mistake. There's accuracy in everything. So when we're pulling drawer guides, when we're anything that we're doing, we need to have this kind of accuracy, both in pulling items and putting items away so that we don't make mistakes that are easily avoidable just by verifying our stuff. So take a look at this. Apply this too as we're making SOPs and things like that. Just realize this, when we're doing this, the SOP doesn't mean anything if we don't put the time and effort in to verify and maintain what we're doing. Thanks guys, have a good day.